Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, introduce my name is Soniya Gobind. I will explain arithmetic sequences and series. Arithmetic sequences are also known as chord line. The general form is as follows. There is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, until AN, where A1 is the first term, A2 is the second term, A3 is the third term, up to the n term. Then the difference between the first term and the second terms and so on is denoted by D, or the difference in the sequence, which can be found using the formula D equals A2 minus A1, or A3 minus A2, or A4 minus A3. The following is an example of an arithmetic sequence. There is 3, 5, 7, 9, until 91. The difference from the first term to the second term using the formula. Then the second term is 5 minus the first term, which is 3. Then the difference is 2. Then for the second term to the third term, also use the same formula. So we know here everything has the same difference, namely 2. The following is an arithmetic sequence formula. Is AN equals A1 plus open bracket n minus 1 close bracket multiplied by D, where AN is n terms, A1 is first term in line, D is difference. The following is an example of a question. There is 3, 5, 7, 9, until 91. From the line above determine A is A3 or third term, B is A21 or the 21st term. Then to answer the first question, the question asked is the third term. We note from the arithmetic sequence in problem A1 is 3, then A2 is 5, and A3 is 7. So A3 equals 7. For the second question asked is the 21st term, we can use the previous formula, namely AN equals A1 plus open bracket n minus 1 close bracket multiplied by D, where n is 21, A or the first term is 3, D the difference is 5 minus 3 is 2, then just substitute it into the formula AN. A21 equals 3 plus open bracket 21 minus 1 close bracket multiplied by 2. The first things we do is the one inside the bracket. So 21 minus 1. Then the result is 20. Then 20 times 2 is 40. Then 3 plus 40 is 43. Then the 21st term is 43. The following is the formula for arithmetic series. Sn equals n divided by 2, open bracket, 2 times A plus open bracket n minus 1, close bracket, multiplied by D, close bracket. Or Sn equals n divided by 2, open bracket A1 plus An, close bracket. Next, there is an example of an arithmetic series. There is 7 plus 11 plus 50 up to plus 67 from the arithmetic series about. Determine A, sum of the first 10 terms, B is sum of all terms. To answer the first question, that is a sum of the first 10 terms, we use the formula as n equals n divided by 2, open bracket, 2 times A plus open bracket n minus 1, close bracket, multiplied by D, close bracket. Then it is now n is 10, A is 7 because the first term, D is 11 minus 7 equals to 4, Then we substitute enter the formula. S10 equals 10 divided by 2, open bracket 2 times 7, plus open bracket 10 minus 1, close bracket multiplied by 4, close bracket. Then we solve. 10 divided by 2 is 5, 2 times 7 is 14, then 10 minus 1 is 9. Then 9 times 4 is 36. Then in bracket we add up, that is 14 plus 36 is 50. Then the last step, 5 times 50 is 250. So the sum of the terms is 250. Then the last question is sum of all terms. So we will find the sum of all terms. The and this is 67 from the question, but we do not know what type 67 are. So what we are looking for is Sn. So what is known is only An, which 67, and you know the first term is 7 and the difference is 4, and what was asked was Sn. To find Sn, we have to find the value of n first, then immediately substitute it, enter the formula an equals a1 plus open bracket n minus 1 close bracket multiplied by b. 67 equals 7 plus open bracket n minus 1 close bracket multiplied by 4. Then we switch position. Then 4 times n is 4n, and 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. Then 7 move to the right side to be negative 7. Then 67 minus 7 is 60. Then negative 4 move to the right to be positive 4. Then 60 plus 4 is 64. Then 64 divided by 4 are 16. So n is 16. So it turned out that the 67 is the 60th stripe. So the sum of all terms is S16. To find this S16, we use the second formula. So we just have substitute it. S16 equals 16 divided by 2, open bracket 7 plus A16. The 16 stripe was 16, 7. Then we do the addition first, that is the result is 74. Then 16 divided by 2 is 8. Then the last step, 8 times 74 is 592. So S16 is 592. That's all I can explain. More or less, I'm sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.